The RYOBI 18V ONE EZClean Power Cleaner is the perfect solution for cleaning up around the house or as you go. Powered by the RYOBI ONE+ battery, it's portable, easy to use, so you have the ability to take it anywhere. It pulls water from any fresh water source by connecting to a standard garden hose, 20-foot siphon hose, or a 2-liter bottle. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use. Just attach the quick connect adapter to a garden hose and lock it into place on the tool. Now you have the ability to clean anywhere around your home. Whether you're just using it to spray off your patio furniture or detailing your car, this tool provides the cleaning portability you need. What if you're not around a water spigot? Easily connect the included 20-foot siphon hose and you're able to pull water from any fresh water source, whether it's a lake, pool, or even a bucket. This gives you the ability to use the power cleaner where you may not have access to a water source. Now, there's no need to drag your muddy camping gear back to your house to clean. The RYOBI EZClean Power Cleaner can easily tackle the cleanups on the spot. Need a quick cleanup after a party or outdoor activity? This bottle adapter is the perfect solution. Just fill it with water, snap in the quick connect adapter, and you're ready to clean. The portable design makes cleaning beach gear, muddy bikes, and other outdoor equipment quick and easy. This EZClean Power Cleaner runs with cold or even hot water for stubborn messes. While using a siphon hose or bottle adapter, you can spray detergents or cleaning solutions. The 3-in-1 nozzle allows you to easily select one of 3 spray patterns: 15-degree, turbo, or rinse. This gives you the ability to choose the perfect setting for each area you're cleaning. With the full lineup of RYOBI EZClean accessories, the cleaning possibilities are endless. You can attach a foam blaster, wash brush, or even a squeegee. This gives you the ability to clean so much more than you could with just a standard garden hose. With the EZClean chemical nozzle kit, you can turn your power cleaner into a chemical sprayer for applying pesticides or disinfectants. The EZClean Power Cleaner is powered by a RYOBI 18V ONE+ battery, making it the perfect cordless cleaning tool. That same battery works with everything from a drill to a blower to over 175 RYOBI ONE+ tools. You can purchase the RYOBI EZClean Power Cleaner and other EZClean products exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.